In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an Office 365 tutorial for beginners. If you find this video useful, please be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Let's begin by accessing Microsoft 365. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Microsoft's cloud-based service offers a range of applications including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more, all designed to help you work efficiently and collaboratively. Whether you're using it for personal tasks, education, or business purposes, Office 365 provides the tools you need to stay organized and productive. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Sign In option. You'll find this button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Sign In will take you to the login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're new to Office 365, you'll need to create an account by following the on-screen instructions. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be directed to the login interface. Here, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account. This could be your personal email, or the one provided by your organization if you're using Office 365 for work or school. Make sure to enter your email address accurately to ensure you receive the necessary authentication codes and access to your account. Once you've entered your email address, the next step is to verify your identity. Microsoft takes security seriously, and as part of that, they often send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox for an email from Microsoft containing a unique code. Enter this code in the designated field on the login page to proceed. This added layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access, ensuring that your documents and data remain safe. After entering the verification code, you'll need to click on the Sign In button to access your account. If this is your first time signing in, you might be prompted to complete additional setup steps, such as configuring security settings or personalizing your profile. Follow these prompts to finalize your account setup and gain full access to all the features Office 365 has to offer. Once you're signed in, you'll notice the left panel of the interface, which serves as your navigation bar. This panel is your gateway to all the tools and applications available within Office 365. From here, you can easily switch between different apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more, allowing you to seamlessly transition between tasks without losing your place. In the top left corner of the interface, you'll find a distinctive 9-dot square icon. Clicking on this icon will open a menu displaying all the Microsoft apps available to you. This centralized view allows you to quickly access any of the Office 365 applications, making it easier to find the tool you need without having to navigate through multiple menus or screens. Once you've explored the app launcher, the next step is to click on Home to access your Microsoft dashboard. This dashboard serves as your central hub, providing an overview of your recent activities, suggested documents, and shortcuts to frequently used tools. It's designed to help you stay organized and access important resources with just a few clicks. Here you have the option to create new files of your choice. Whether you need to draft a document in Word, analyze data in Excel, or design a presentation in PowerPoint, the dashboard provides quick access to all these options. Simply select the type of file you wish to create, and Office 365 will launch the corresponding application, ready for you to start working. Additionally, the dashboard offers quick access links for easy navigation. These links might include shortcuts to frequently used folders, recent documents, or other resources that you often interact with. By utilizing these quick access options, you can save time and streamline your workflow, ensuring that you can focus on what matters most without unnecessary distractions. Another powerful feature of the dashboard is the integrated search bar. Located prominently, this search function allows you to find apps, files, templates, and more with ease. Whether you're looking for a specific document, need to locate a particular application, or want to find a suitable template for your next project, the search bar serves as a versatile tool to help you locate exactly what you need in no time. In the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll notice the Install Apps or By Microsoft button. This feature provides you with options to expand your Office 365 capabilities. If you need additional applications or services, you can browse through available options and make purchases directly from this interface. It's a convenient way to customize your Office 365 experience to better fit your individual or organizational needs. Another useful feature displayed on the dashboard is a quick glance at your storage usage, typically located in the middle section. This overview allows you to monitor how much space you're using within your Office 365 account, ensuring you stay within your storage limits. If you find yourself nearing your capacity, you can take proactive steps to manage your files, such as deleting unnecessary documents or upgrading your storage plan if needed. Moving forward, let's explore the Copilot feature within Office 365. By clicking on Copilot, you gain access to Copilot chat within your Microsoft 365 apps. Copilot is an AI-powered assistant designed to enhance your productivity by providing intelligent suggestions, automating repetitive tasks, and offering real-time assistance as you work. Whether you're drafting an email, creating a presentation, or analyzing data, Copilot can help streamline your workflow and improve your efficiency. To create a new document or file type of your choice, simply click on the Create button within the Copilot interface. This action will open a new window where you can select the type of document you wish to create, such as a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation. Once you've made your selection, the corresponding application will launch, allowing you to begin working on your project immediately. Managing your files is a crucial aspect of using Office 365 effectively. By clicking on My Content, you can view all the files you have stored within your account. This centralized location provides easy access to your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files, ensuring that you can find and manage your content without hassle. Whether you're working on a report for work, organizing personal projects, or sharing documents with colleagues, My Content serves as your go-to repository. Within the My Content section, you'll find various tabs such as recently opened, shared, and more. These tabs categorize your files based on different criteria, making it easier to locate specific documents quickly. For instance, the recently opened tab displays the files you've accessed most recently, while the shared tab shows documents that have been shared with you by others. This organization helps you keep track of your work and collaborate more effectively with your team. To further enhance your file management experience, Office 365 allows you to filter out files for easy access, whether you want to sort by file type, date modified, or other parameters. These filtering options help you narrow down your search and find the exact document you need without unnecessary scrolling. Utilizing these filters can significantly improve your efficiency, especially when dealing with large volumes of files. If you need to add new files to your Office 365 account, you can do so by clicking the Upload button located in the bottom left corner of the My Content section. This upload feature enables you to add documents from your computer or other storage devices directly into your Office 365 account. Whether you're uploading a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, a PowerPoint presentation, or any other supported file type, this functionality ensures that all your important files are readily accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Next, let's take a closer look at the applications available within Office 365. By clicking on Apps, you can view all the Microsoft apps available to you online. This comprehensive list includes well-known applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, and many others, each designed to cater to different aspects of your work and personal tasks. Exploring the full range of available apps can help you discover new tools that can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. In the sidebar, you'll find a variety of Microsoft apps such as Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. These applications are the backbone of Office 365, providing you with powerful tools to create documents, analyze data, manage emails, and design presentations. Each app is tailored to specific tasks, ensuring that you have the right tool for every job, whether it's writing a report, preparing a budget, organizing your emails, or creating a dynamic slideshow. One of the standout features of Office 365 is the seamless integration between these applications. This integration allows you to easily move between different tasks without losing your progress or having to switch devices. For example, you can start drafting an email in Outlook, attach a document you've been working on in Word, and then switch to Excel to update some figures, all within the same interface. This interconnectedness is designed to save you time and reduce the complexity of managing multiple applications. To enhance your user experience, Office 365 provides easy access to these Microsoft software applications. Whether you're using a desktop computer, a laptop, or a mobile device, you can access and use these tools as if they were installed directly on your machine. This flexibility ensures that you can work on your projects anytime, anywhere, without being tied down to a specific device or location. Customizing your Office 365 experience is also straightforward. By clicking on the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the interface, you can access a range of settings and preferences. This gear icon is your gateway to personalizing your Office 365 environment, allowing you to adjust settings to better suit your workflow and preferences. Within the settings menu, you'll find options such as settings, help, feedback, Buy 365, and Meet Now to connect. The settings option allows you to tailor various aspects of your Office 365 experience, from adjusting notification preferences to customizing the appearance of your applications. The help section provides access to tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and customer support, ensuring that you have the resources you need to resolve any issues you might encounter. The feedback option is an excellent way to share your thoughts and suggestions with the Microsoft team. Whether you have ideas for new features, want to report a bug, or simply want to share your experience, providing feedback helps improve the overall quality and functionality of Office 365. Your input is valuable and contributes to making the software better for everyone. If you find that you need additional features or access to premium applications, the Buy 365 option allows you to upgrade your subscription or purchase additional services. This flexibility ensures that you can scale your Office 365 account to meet your evolving needs, whether you're an individual user, part of a small team, or managing a large organization. The Meet Now feature is particularly useful for those who collaborate frequently with colleagues or clients. By clicking on this option, you can initiate video conferences, host virtual meetings, and connect with others in real time. This functionality is essential for remote work, allowing you to maintain effective communication and collaboration regardless of your physical location. Finally, in the bottom left corner of the interface, you'll see your profile photo. Clicking on your profile photo allows you to manage your account settings, including updating your personal information, changing your password, and managing your subscription details. Keeping your account information up to date ensures that you have uninterrupted access to all the features and services that Office 365 provides. Managing your account is a crucial aspect of maintaining your Office 365 experience. By accessing your profile settings, you can ensure that your contact information, security settings, and subscription details are current and accurate. This proactive approach helps prevent potential issues, such as login problems or unauthorized access, and ensures that you can continue to use Office 365 seamlessly. In addition to managing your account, your profile settings also allow you to customize your personal preferences. This includes setting your preferred language, adjusting accessibility options, and configuring notification settings. By tailoring these options to your liking, you can create a more comfortable and efficient working environment that suits your individual needs and preferences. As we wrap up this tutorial, it's important to remember that Office 365 is a powerful and versatile tool designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. By familiarizing yourself with its features and functionalities, you can make the most of what it has to offer, whether you're working on a simple document, managing complex projects, or collaborating with a team. Throughout this guide, we've covered the essential steps to get you started with Office 365, from signing in and navigating the dashboard to exploring the various applications and managing your account settings. Each of these steps is designed to help you build a strong foundation, ensuring that you can confidently use Office 365 to meet your personal or professional needs. As you continue to explore Office 365, don't hesitate to take advantage of the numerous resources available to you. Microsoft's support website offers a wealth of tutorials, guides, and troubleshooting tips to help you overcome any challenges you might encounter. Additionally, engaging with the Office 365 community through forums and discussion boards can provide you with valuable insights and tips from other users. Remember, mastering Office 365 takes time and practice. As you become more familiar with its interface and capabilities, you'll discover new ways to optimize your workflow and increase your productivity. Whether you're creating detailed reports in Word, analyzing data in Excel, designing visually appealing presentations in PowerPoint, or managing your emails and calendar in Outlook, Office 365 provides the tools you need to excel in your tasks. In conclusion, the Office 365 Tutorial for Beginners Full 2025 Guide is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to harness the full potential of Microsoft's Office suite. By following the steps outlined in this video and taking advantage of the additional tips and explanations provided, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in Office 365. Empower yourself with these skills and unlock new levels of efficiency and effectiveness in your work and personal projects. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the essentials of Office 365. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out through our support channels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and guides to help you make the most of your favorite tools and technologies. Until next time, happy working.